Hey there, friends. I hope all of you are well and happy. It is Tuesday. It is November the 3rd, and we all know what's going on today. I hope that you are calm and peaceful and happy and keeping really busy, because that was kind of my mode of thinking today, is that I'm going to keep really busy. I am not watching TV. I'm not listening to anything online. I'm not reading anything. I am just hunkering down, doing some art, and I thought that I would show you guys how my pretty ugly planner, which really has turned out to be a pretty planner, worked out this past week. And so we're going to go from Monday the 26th to Sunday, November the 1st. First thing I want to do is kind of set this to the side. This is an x-ray that my friend Leanne sent us. I've got a really special announcement, me saying Leanne, at the end of this video. So please stay tuned to the end of the video, because we are going to, Leanne is actually offering you something at the end of the video. So we need to hang out with me through the video. But I'm going to kind of put that to the side right here. Actually, I think I might just go ahead and take it off, because I want to do some work underneath. But the piece is just amazing. And I thought, you know, it was great to use it for Halloween. I will put it right back there where it belonged. First thing we usually have to do, we don't like to do it, but we have to do it, is we have to note week 36 of the Mr. COVID here. I'm not even putting COVID down here. I'm just noting 36. I'm going to go ahead and put, now I call this Mr. COVID. It's Leanne's explicit emoji. And, you know, nothing says everything like this, you know. I mean, it really does say it all. Okay, so this is one of her sticker sheets. Of course, all of her designs are original. She has a great vibe. She has a great color palette. So we'll talk more about that in a bit. So we've got our COVID down here, number 36. I wanted to just kind of let you know about these little splotches right here. I used up the very last of some molding paste, some actual professional molding paste that I had, and I just kind of did a little stencil on my planner because I had it on a credit card, you know, and I was doing the swiping thing. I have started, instead of putting everything in one big pack, I've started putting potential planner items to glue in here into recycled plastic sleeve. Okay, so this had card embellishments in it, but I thought, you know, the thing that I'm using, it kind of gets too stuffed and full, and I don't remember what's in here. So I just decided to go a little smaller. You know, we'll see how this works out. You know, your journal, your planner is an experiment, and it's a great experiment, and that's kind of the way that you have to approach it. You know, it's yours. Do what you want with it, right? I do have some Halloween things to add to the planner. You know, last week was Halloween, and it was an odd week because not only was it Halloween, it was we had a full moon on Halloween. It was also retrograde, you know, the last week of Mercury retrograde, and it was like, good grief, can anything like more celestial kind of go on here? It was, you know, it was just an interesting week. All of our weeks lately have been interesting in one way or another. This says, come gather for a spell. Really did like that. Now, I had just kind of processed some things very Halloween-y last week, Halloween-ish. So we're just going to put those in. I have decided about my planner for 2021. I am doing an omni book. The OmniBook is the same layout as this planner, so I'm using an altered composition book. No, I can't put that there. An altered composition book, that's what this is, you know, one of the 100 sheets, 200 pages book. And I think that will give me room to do not only my planner, but part of it will be a glue book, it will be a planner, it will be a personal journal, and it will be a financial portal for me. So the way that I've kind of gotten it laid out is I'm going to do a front section, which is a glue book, and it's going to have a little more structure than the glue book section that I did here. Okay, so you can kind of see how that came along. It's going to have a 6-month planner with more room for notes, because this little skinny space right here is just not enough room for me to put all the notes that I want to. It's going to have a personal journal. It's going to have a financial record keeping in the back of the book, which really doesn't take a whole lot of room because I plan monthly, you know, in my finances. So it's pretty compact. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to have like multi-journals. I'm just going to have one. And I think it will be, I think it'll be fun. I think it'll be a good challenge. You know, we might even do a section in our glue book, our OmniBook for, I don't know. I mean, maybe we'll do some backgrounds in there. I'm really in the planning stages right now. I did purchase the actual composition book during the back to school sales. That's moot because nobody went back to school, but you know, they still had the sales. So there we go. We've glued a few things in. I still have a few things over here, but these things are definitely like too big to put on this page. I'm going to set those to the side right here. I want to get my Leanne stickers in here. Now, this is the exciting part of the planner video. Leanne at her shop. Now, her shop is Creative Freedom Paper, and I'll put a link in the description box below. When you order from Leanne's shop, if you use the code TAMMY10, not in parenthesis, okay? Tammy, T-A-M-M-Y 10. Leanne's will take 10% off your order. I'm so excited about that. I love being able to promote other artists and other shops. Leanne, of course, is my favorite, and I do exclusively use Leanne stickers in my book to do my days of the week and my dates. Most everything in my, this is hers, most everything in this book, this is hers, is a Leanne creation. So I'm very happy to be able to offer you guys 10% off in Leanne's shop at Tammy10. Okay, so I will put all that in the description box below. I love these TV and chill because they remind me of what I'm watching. And I watched Enola last week and fell in love. And I've been thinking about it, and I'm like, oh, you know, I can really see this being, you know, that it was a movie, but I can really see it being broken apart into a series for television. I mean, for Netflix. It was so good, you guys. It was just very inspiring and uplifting, and I kind of really needed that last week, as we all kind of really needed that last week. I think I'm going to use a Life Band-Aids text sheet right here with Mr. COVID, and I think we'll just use what the actual Right there. Perfect. You'll find, and we'll just flip through here right quick. Now, these are my stickers that I use in my planner, okay? So these Quirky Mushies are awesome. These are Life Band-Aids, which I like to use with the Life Band-Aid sheet too, because you can kind of use the Band-Aid and then put some text on it and get a great effect. These are date numbers. This is called Lusty Pumpkin. I love the colors here. It's purple and like almost a pumpkin-ish orange here, which resonates with me since I don't like bright orange. Days of the week. Clean Sheets is not Leanne's, but I don't know where that came from. Emojis, Coffee Shade. Don't you love that? I thought her spooky bottles in her Halloween collection were just wonderful. As a matter of fact, I made a cluster. Hold on, I'll find it. Of spooky bottles right here and paired it with a few other little things. And this is my screensaver on my phone now. Just took a photo of it. It just worked out really great. All right, so we have spooky bottles, moon dust and polyjuice, playful bats, paw prints, which I need because Mia had her flea and tick right here. Perfect. Paw prints is great for tracking your pet's medication, you know, or vet visits or whatever. Pastel witchy stuff. I'm just going to add some of this because I love it. I think it's about time for me to reorder Pastel Witchy. Also, you guys, Leanne has misprints at her shop. Now, people, I have ordered her misprints. There is nothing misprinty about it. She does, I don't know why they're in the shop like that, but we are fortunate that they are because they're an excellent buy, you guys. You can get, it's misprints, I think is what she calls it. I'll see if there are any in her shop, and I'll put a link again in the description box below. Leanne creates these vinyl stickers. This isn't a vinyl sticker. There's Mr. COVID. There's Coffee Shade. Awesome. She has more vinyl stickers too. This is just a pack of, I don't even think she does these anymore, but I love these as well. Look at that one. That's a pendulum. Would that not be just absolutely stellar, like on a mystical kind of journal, you know, maybe a dream journal? Maybe, you know, if you're into card reading, it would be great if you are tracking your readings, you know, your card readings. This is Energy Centers. She also does washi tape, and I love her Moon Sticker Sheet Washi Strip, she calls it. Energy Centers. You can see that I almost used her moon sticker sheet all up. This is called All the Moons. And then she's got all the moons right here. I love her organic nature. You know, she spends a lot of time designing her stickers. And it's cool because she's a small business and she is in the USA. You know, we're all trying to support local business. We're trying to support our friends. We're trying to support those people who are small business owners, woman-owned business, and that is Leanne. We've got these moon phase stickers, which I just think are super keen. I even kind of wrote, you know, full moon, crescent moon, first quarter, gibbous, new, full on the moon phase stickers because that kind of helps me keep up with them. And we've got more Energy Centers right here. This is a pack called Summer Vibes, and I'm just going to take this out and show it to you real quick. These are her die cut sticker packs. And like I said, you know, she's always designing things. The colors are scrumptious. The textures are great. The quality of the paper is top notch. I mean, it's just like Leanne's shop is just 100% everything. When you get something from her, she also, and I don't have one here because I've already used it, but she sends you she sends you a sampler, and her sampler is about 3.5 by 2.5. You know, it's like an art trading card size, but she gives you different samples of her stickers. And this is one of the cards. Like, she sends, she ticks all the boxes, y'all. So don't forget, when you order from Creative Freedom Paper at Etsy, use the code TAMMY10 for 10% off your purchase. You guys won't be disappointed. She's absolutely fabulous. And I need to find my, here we go. We're going to finish this out by reinserting this totally awesome x-ray of the lungs. They do look like healthy lungs. That's a good thing. Good thing. And this is kind of what things are looking like next week. I mean, we're already in this week. You know, it's already Tuesday. But you can kind of see. Now, what I did here with Leanne's stickers is I used her. Okay, so this is how, you know, I used her labels and then put some of her stickers on top. So you can actually, you guys know that I love layers and I love clustering things together. And that's just, you know, another way to use Leanne's stickers. So guys, thank you for hanging out with me. I hope that you will have a peaceful, positive, productive day, and that we are staying clear of the melee, and that we're being happy with whatever the outcome is going to be, my friends. Take care of yourselves. Remember, Tammy10. Leanne shop code, and I'll put a link to her shop in the description box below. Thanks, guys, and thank you, Leanne. See you later. Bye.